Oh, you rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we can start from this side of the driveway, the parking lot, to the other side of the parking lot, hit that hill down there.
Don't cut a tire.
Don't cut a tire.
Don't cut a tire.
Yeah, don't worry.
Cut 3. Oh.
These Xmaxx tires are way tougher than those.
I mean,
oh, hang on, I gotta switch my controller here. All right, guys, so here's the game plan. What do you think we have here? A football field worth of pavement, smooth pavement?
Oh, definitely, yeah, 100 yards or so.
Yeah, and then we have this nice grassy knoll right here. And what do you say that fence is, about 60 feet away?
Just about.
Fairly?
Yeah, 50, 60 feet. Yeah.
I think we can do it, guys.
You got the parts.
Oh, that's a pretty hard needle right there. Don't hit the dog.
There, you got it. You might want to watch out. Are you excited?
I was like, I'm going to stand behind him.
Are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So what's going to happen is you're going to jump this and jump the loader. Yep, you're good. Oh no!
That didn't work. It's okay. The fence caught it. We're good.
Man, that's 3 tires on the day for you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. All right, start up there.
Uh-oh. What did we lose?
Impressive. Wow.
You know what that was? That was probably a 6S tire. Because I had a couple 6S's still in the bunch. So I brought in my special technician to fix my Xmaxx today. I'm just not, I don't have a good batting average today with tires.
Yeah, so pretty much I'm just going to end up taking over for you, like everything.
I'm just driving the truck.
You can't fix this thing, you can't drive for crap. It's fine, I'll just do it.
It's understandable.
We're going to give him one more.
We're going out for one last go in the monster truck track. We got her fixed. It's go time, boys.
Woo! Oh, sorry.
It's a little ow, dude. That was my ear.
Yeah, I got hype.
I see. Ah.
I think you did, actually. Try it again.
Alright, I'm gonna hit this right here hard.
Let's go for it. Oh no!
Front disc going? Oh,
yeah,
broke the front axle. No,
I don't think it's broke. Hang on. Oh, it's the pin inside here.
no.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah, she's done.
This is the best one.
Car done, boys.
Ah.
All right, guys. So, after the show, we broke the Xmaxx out, ripped around a little bit. I broke it. Thanks for filming, dude. Appreciate it. You want to tell them go check out your channel?
Yeah, no problem. So, yeah, guys, go ahead and check out Trailer Trash RC on YouTube.
Give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe.
All of those things. Share. Because why wouldn't you?
I don't share anything.
Yeah, I noticed. That's why you didn't let me drive today.
No.
I'm just kidding. But, anyway. Wow. It was such an honor to be in your presence.
Oh, it was an honor to have you here, man.
Yeah. Anyway,
We're out, guys. We're out.
We're out. Hey, oh yeah, what does Kevin say? What's that thing?
See you later.